So this is video number 2 in my 5-part series, How to Become a Professional Songwriter Faster. Stick around. Hey, I'm Timotha, indie artist, songwriter, and vocal producer, and I post informational videos on songwriting and vocal production weekly. So please do subscribe and hit the notification bell if you're looking to grow in these areas. In this series, I'm sharing 5 tips that have helped me take my songwriting from amateur to professional. And I'll link the other videos from this series in the description box below. But let's go ahead and dig right in to this video. And this is tip number 2, master song structure and map hit songs of the past and the present. I'm a strong believer that you need to study the greats to become great. So when I was in production school here in Los Angeles, one of the first assignments that we were given was to go to the Billboard charts and to listen to all the songs in the top 10. And then we had to choose a song from the top 10 and map it out. So what does it mean to map out a song? You write out the song structure. Is there an intro? If so, how long? Is the intro instrumental or are there vocals there? Does the chorus or the hook come in right away, or does the song start with a verse? How long is the verse? How long is the chorus? And so on and so forth. So these are the different sections of a song: chorus, verse, bridge, intro, outro. And mapping the song means that you write out the sections of the song and the details of those sections in the order that they occur within the song. So I already instinctually had a good foundation of song structure because I've been listening to songs and writing songs since I was a little girl. But doing the exercise made me become really deliberate about how I listen to songs. And it helped me to appreciate the anatomy of a hit. But I want us to take this exercise a step further and map songs, not just of the present, not hit songs just of the present, but also of the past, and songs of the past that have stood the test of time, like Purple Rain by Prince and Let It Be by the Beatles. So what you'll begin to notice is that there's a lot of similarities in hit songs in their structure from the past and the present. And I believe that that's just because of human nature. We gravitate towards similar things. We want to sing along to a great melody, and we want a good hook to be followed by a great verse. And it doesn't matter if we were born in the 50s or 60s or 2000s, or whether we like rock or R&B. So I think if you want to speed up your journey to becoming a professional songwriter, the first thing you need to do is to listen to hit songs daily and understand solid song structure. It needs to become second nature to you. So you should eventually be able to write a song in the proper structure instinctually without having to think about it. So once you know how to write a song in the correct structure and relatable structure, then you can move on to the meat of songwriting, which is lyrics, great storytelling, and a beautiful melody. So let's talk about this in the comments below. Do you feel like you have a solid grasp on song structure? And what hit song are you going to map first? Let me know in the comments below. And then maybe, hey, even map a song out for us in the comments below. And then me and the other songwriters in this community can check it out. So thanks so much for taking time to watch this video. I'm Timotha. Please do like and subscribe. God bless, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.